is going on, everyone, and welcome to Kart 63. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you right now. If you didn't mind hitting a like during this video, that would be awesome. If you're new here, please subscribe or consider subscribing. That would be great. The numbers really help the channel grow. It helps me get out to more people, and therefore I can assist more people in their karting ventures. A bit of a serious topic today, but an informative one nonetheless. I think, you know, I never stand up on a pedestal and say don't do this and don't do that and blah, 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 because we all make mistakes. But I think this mistake is easily correctable, and might as well do a video to put it out there. For the love of God, you need to know about helmet straps, and you need to know not to do certain things. Now, I don't know who this was. I don't know why this was a thing. Well, I know why. So what had happened, I'm assuming, is I don't know if it's flat cart. I don't know if it was a buggy. Buggies are champ carts. I assume, looped a helmet strap of some sort through the chin bar on the helmet of whomever. I don't know if it's a child. I know nothing about. I just see the photo, which I'm going to show now. So I can only assume that they tethered a helmet strap to the cart somehow, some way, and this is just a bad idea altogether. I get it. All right. The reason behind it would be that G-forces are constantly, you know, if you're racing, it's trying to throw you this way. That's why helmet straps exist. So I'm assuming they ran the strap through the chin bar on the helmet and then tied it to the cart of some sort. A bad enough accident. This could have broken somebody's neck. It is a terrible, terrible idea. I know why they did it. Like I just explained, you know, help their kid or whomever from their head, you know, flopping over because of G-forces. It's a lot on there. I suggest some exercise. If you're an older person, get to the gym, work out. It does a body good type of thing. But if you're going to use a helmet strap, there is a correct way to do so. And I believe it looks something like this. So this is the intended, hold on. So there we go. All right. So this is the intended purpose of a helmet strap. It is not to go from the helmet to whatever you're racing on, your cart, your buggy, your champ, whatever you want to call it. It's the, you know, that strap had to have been gone through here and holding the helmet like this, but it is rather attached to you. It's an adjustable strap. You can draw more tension on it. You can pull your head down. Therefore, when you're racing, and as G-forces want to pull your head over, the connection between your helmet and yourself, which your helmet's already on you, it keeps you from leaning so bad. You know, you can put a little pressure and bring your head back down this way. I know it's bad form, but I tend to lean a little bit, and I draw this arm and elbow down, so it actually pulls my head this way when I'm wearing a helmet strap. Looser tracks in New York, I probably don't need this on for this explanation here. Hold on 1 second. Oh, like I was saying, sorry about that. Tracks up north, we really don't have to run a helmet strap. Where our tracks don't have the most grip. We have our form of grip, where, you know, that wet, heavy track, but it's nothing like a dirt fault. You're going to find helmet straps being used more frequently down south where there's a bunch of dirt fault, small bull rings. Indoor is a must-have for indoor. I've only done indoor racing on Coke syrup twice, and I believe the first time I tried it, I did not have a helmet strap, and that was a horrible idea. Absolutely horrible. So, but the proper way to affix a helmet strap to your helmet is actually through a D-ring. So the premise behind, I know, you know, a lot of us, I won't say mine is overly expensive. My Zamp is, you know, it's a carbon composite. So it's a little lighter than a normal shell, but not a carbon fiber one. But I mean, it was a fairly expensive helmet when it was bought. And I know that the concept of I don't want to be boring holes in my brand new helmet. Well, a lot of them actually come with pre-drilled holes or mounting brackets for D-rings. Now, the concept is you're not attaching it to whatever you're racing. Please do not do that. Use it properly. You're going to go from the helmet down to your shoulder using a D-ring. The front facing one, I guess you could do it up there. They wouldn't be a big problem. I'm not sure where you would tie it to, but as long as I would assume it's to yourself, knock yourself out type of thing. I don't know what, it depends on what rules a track actually has, but the D-ring to the left side, attach here. Now, if anything's going to fail, it's probably going to be the D-ring. If you're in a bad enough accident, it's going to separate from the strap and you're going to allow your body's going to be allowed to do what it was, or it's probably not a bad thing that you're kind of crunched up and maybe you won't get hurt that way. But please, for the love of God, don't attach it to the cart. It's just a bad idea. I understand why it would be done, but it's such a bad idea. Somebody could seriously get hurt by doing it. I saw this pop up on Facebook. I don't know, it happened down in PA or something like that. And the comments were, I can't believe this happened and everything. I can believe it happened, but somebody might not know the danger until something goes wrong. And luckily, the helmet strap went through the chin bar. The person, I assume, wasn't hurt that bad, if anything. But, let's just keep from doing it that way. Use a D-ring. Most helmets, like I said, come with some sort of mounting hole somewhere over there that you can attach a D-ring to, or they come with it pre-installed type of thing. So just, I have to, some of these videos, like a PSA, if you will, but new karters, just so you don't make mistakes. Don't assume everything is going to be hunky-dory. Bad things happen, and they happen in a hurry, and you don't want to hurt you or a loved one because you made a choice that probably wasn't the best of ideas. So there you go, guys. A PSA type of video, I guess. Yeah, sure. For a Thursday. That's when I'm releasing. Yeah, it'll be Thursday when I drop this video. Anyway, I thought it was a real good topic. Get out there and let you guys kind of say, hey, yeah, now that we know helmet straps, if you didn't know helmet straps are a thing, now you do know they're a thing, and please attach them correctly to yourself or the body. Or, yourself, the helmet, whatever. You know where I was going with that. Leave me alone, all right? Sometimes I get a little... Anyway, I really do appreciate every single one of you coming by, and I will see you in the next video. Later.